I'm inviting you to move your body with me. In this video, we're going to use our bodies and our imaginations to have a fun day on the farm. Let's start with a warm-up. As we warm up our bodies, we are also going to warm up our voice. Reach over to one side and say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Reach to the other side and say, ah, ah, ah. You're going to bend your knees, open your hands and your mouth real wide. Say, wow, 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 wow. And now you're going to do and say, twist, twist, twist. Other side, twist, twist, twist. Let's speed that up. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow. Twist, twist. It's so early on the farm. The sun is just coming up. Do you know who wakes everyone up on the farm? The rooster with its rooster crow. Let's pretend to be roosters, and we have to use our crow to wake everyone up. Now, I don't know where you're doing this video, but don't get yourself in trouble, okay? If you need to be quiet, do this quiet. We can just pretend. But if you can get loud, go ahead. Get loud, but don't get yourself in trouble. Good job waking everybody up. A day on the farm is fun, but it's also a lot of work. We got a list of chores we gotta get done. You ready? First chore for today is we have to paint some fences. So go ahead and get your paintbrush or your roller, dip it in your paint. What color paint are you going to use? Say it out loud. What color paint are you going to use? All right. I want you to take your paintbrush and we're going to squat down low. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, farmers, our next chore is to do some apple picking. Hey! To the side, reach, pull, put that apple in the basket, reach forward to the side, pull that apple, put it in the basket. Let's speed it up a little bit. Reaching on all sides, reach and pull. All these yummy, yummy apples. Reach and stretch in all directions. Let's have one last apple for ourselves. Next on the chore list is to do some planting so we can grow some vegetables on this farm. First, we're going to till the ground and break up the dirt. Then we are going to plant the seeds. Finally, we will water those seeds. Let's get started. Step 1, till the ground. We're gonna use our arms to pretend it is our tools to till the ground. So take your arms around like this. See if you can speed it up. Oh, till that ground, till that ground. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. All right. All right. Ooh, next we are going to pretend we have 2 pouches of seeds right here on our hips. I want you to take from one side and spread those seeds. And then from the other hip and spread those seeds. From one hip, spread those seeds. And the other hip, spread those seeds. What kind of vegetables do you? Step 3 is we are going to water. We're going to use our sprinkler system. We're going to put one hand behind our head and our other arm out to the side. Spray it down. Spray it down. Other side. Spray it down. Spray it down. Let's do steps 1, 2, and 3 all together. Let's till the ground. Till the ground. Get ready to spread those seeds. Spread those seeds. Last step is water. Water. All right. Hey, it's almost like we were dancing, but we were definitely doing some very serious farming. Well, we've gotten a lot done on our chore list. I think we should visit some of the animals on the farm. Let's play a guessing game and see if you can guess which animals we might visit on the farm. This first animal starts with a p, p, p sound. It likes to roll around in the mud. It makes a sound like that's right, p, p, pig. You guessed it. This next animal starts with a k, k, k sound. They often have spots. They are often black and white. We can get milk from these animals, and they make a moo sound. Yeah, it's a k, k, cow. All right, this next animal starts with a d, d, d sound. This animal is very helpful on the farm, can often be a person's best friend and best helper. And they make a sound like yeah, d, d, dog. You got it. Good job guessing. Now it's time to cool down. You can sit like me, or you can do this standing up, but make sure that you're sitting up or standing up nice and tall. We're going to use our hands as we take a deep breath to scoop the air around us. Again. Last one. Now give yourself a squeeze and a pat on the back. And go ahead and tell yourself something that you like about yourself. Here's an idea for something you can do later. I had so much fun playing the guessing game with you. You can keep playing at home. You can use sounds to get people to guess which animal. You can tell clues like I did, and you can also use your body to pretend to be that animal like we did when we were pretending to be roosters. I had so much fun on the farm with you today. Thanks for moving your body with me.